This is GB Camper Conversion's latest van tour on Volkswagen Caddy that we've done, long wheelbase. Customers asked for 2 long bench seats with an aisle down the middle and then a storage unit opposite. So we've got plenty of storage in this one. She's opted for the Driftwood furniture board and then a matte black vinyl covered worktop. It goes really well with the black knock-on edging and the black profile that we use on the corners. And she's chose the flooring as well, which is quite a bit of a unique pattern. So going around the van then, this was already carpeted and ply lined when we'd got it. It had a floor down as well, but we've just covered the floor with the vinyl. Again, the 12 volt lighting was in here already, and it already had a diesel heater, so they were the things we didn't have to worry about, including a control panel. So we've added, like I say, the 2 bench seats which pull out to make the bed. Finished in her choice of fabric as well. She's gone for a yellow gold. And like I say, we fitted a few extras for her. We've fitted the 240 volts, and that comes with a Sargent transformer charger. So that will charge the leisure battery, what we've installed as well. And obviously give a 240 hookup for the 240 sockets, one on either side of the van. And like I say, with the leisure battery as well, it's got a split charge relay, so that will charge, or it'll trickle charge it while the engine's running. 12 volt wise then, she's got the battery test gauge, a couple of USBs on the side where the seat is, and then on the opposite side on the worktop, alongside the 240 socket, we've got a 12 volt power socket and another set of USBs. So you can put your power or use your appliances for power either on the worktop or when the bed's down on the opposite side. The control panel that was already fitted, again, that's controlling the lights, the LED lights, and that's the power for the diesel heater as well. That's also got a voltage gauge on there and a 12 volt power socket and USB, but we've just added the extra ones for her. So coming round to the storage then on this one, we've got 2 large vertical cupboards that's got a shelf in there, so you can put some nice big items in there. And then alongside those, we've got 2 drop down storage compartments. So the doors drop down, and again that's shelved off, so you can get plenty of stuff in there with the black metal handles as well. So it all sets it off quite nicely, keeping with the black theme and the Driftwood theme. We've done the carpeted sides of the seat bases as well in the black anthracite, so just keeping with the black theme. And then on the actual worktop, we was asked to house a microwave, which we don't normally do because of the fear of it coming out while you're travelling, but we've managed to find a way to secure it quite neatly. So yeah, I'm really happy with how that's ended up. And what I'll do, I'll just show you how the beds work. Nice and simple. You just drop that cushion down, give it a pull. It's got 4 heavy duty runners on. Just push it out as far as it'll go. And while we've got this one open, this is where the electrical components are living. So we've got the mains consumer unit. Again, we use double pole RCD protected mains and double pole breakers just for safety. We've got the Sargent PF200, which is a charger transformer, like I've already mentioned, and then the leisure battery and the bank of fuses that controls all your 12 volt. So we slide the seat out as far as it'll go. Your back cushion then just drops in there nicely, And then we come round and we do exactly the same on the front bench seat. So you just drop your cushion down. Again, I mean, you can do all this with all the doors shut because of the access that we've left into the side loading door. There's plenty of room for you to come and operate those. So we'll make these beds to suit the length that you want. You know, most common size is sort of anything between sort of, well, there isn't a common size really, but you know, we can go up to 6 foot in the smaller vans if it's a long wheelbase. It's a nice size for a single bed. So I mean, you can have the bed made and put back within a matter of minutes. I mean, it's quite a simple operation. So behind this seat, what we have done, because we always provide a dining table with any of the micro campers that go out, and obviously being a micro camper, there's only certain places you can put certain things. So we opted to put the rail across this back wall, and the table that's stowed away quite neatly on this one, and it's by the side loading door. So I'm going to pop round and grab hold of it. And the table leg operation on this, you just push it across and pivot it up. Pull your clips out of the way. That just locks onto there. You can lock it on. There's 2 clips underneath that you have to push over, and that locks the table on. So you can slide it up and down, use it for dining. You can use the bigger work surface over the opposite side as well if you don't want to get this out, but it's there if you want to. Yeah, so lots of storage in this one. Like I say, in the storage unit itself, you've got 4 separate compartments, nice big doors on the one end, and there's also storage under the other seat box. So when you pull it out, you've got that full width, length, whatever you want to call it. It's about 850 in length, so you can get quite a bit of stuff under there. Nice and easy access to it as well. It's not too hard to get to. And this is the first Volkswagen Caddy long wheelbase that we've done. And I think it's turned out really, really well. Yeah, so if you want to contact us, we are GB Camper Conversions, based in Tamworth in the Midlands. We can do your micro campers, day vans, your standard camper vans, motorhomes, anything like that. Go onto the website, gbcamperconversions.com. There's a contact form, there's a phone number. Get in touch, we'll see what we can do for you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.